Well, to Brownlow's, what an addition we've got today. Fiat Doblo van, 9995, 18 plate, only done 15,700 miles, a turbo diesel, 6-speed manual. It's been converted with a camper van in the back, like a bed in the back. Still got the 3 seats, comes with a 12-month MOT with no advisories, 3-month warranty standard, ideal for camping, fishing, anything like that. What a truck. Doblo van, we have the full velour seats, we have the CD player, digital radio, air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox, loads of storage in this. Like I say, it's a perfect car for either fishing or basically camping, long weekends, things like that. But loads of storage up above, full electric windows, electric mirrors, converted bed in the back. Yeah, great car, low mileage. Come and see us, Brownlow Cars. Ask for Dave. Where'd you get him? So the gentleman who had this van actually had a mobility ramp in the back. He took that out because he doesn't need it. He used it for weekends away, things like that. He's built the bed in by a joiner. He's put the 3rd seat back in as well. He's got little privacy glass with carpet windows in there as well. So ideal, like I say, for going away for the weekend with the family. Put your stoves underneath, have a tent, camping, ideal for that. Come and see us at Horton Road.
Brownlow Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Horton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust.